Hello everyone. In this exercise of the Solidworks, we will understand a thin feature in the Extrude boss base in Solidworks. Let's start. File, new, part, OK. This is the Solidworks user interface. I am selecting the background plain white and unit system is the millimeter gram second. I am taking the front plane, this one. OK. I am taking the center, this slot, center slot, this one. I am making one sketch. Sorry. And this one. This dimension I am taking, suppose 120 mm. Okay. And this dimension I am taking 20 mm only. Okay. Now, in future Extrude boss base, actually in Extrude boss base, from condition I have in previous exercise I have discussed all the condition, vertical plane, this one, and also I have discussed all the end condition, blind, this one, in the previous exercises. I will give you the link in I button for these. Okay. Now I will discuss the thin feature in Extrude base. We will understand only the thin feature in this exercise in Extrude boss base in Solidworks. Okay. Suppose first direction, I check the thin feature and this is the direction 1. First is the one direction. One direction I am taking, suppose 5 mm. Okay. One direction I am taking 5 mm. This is isometric, trimetric, diametric. This one. Okay. You will see, if I take the front view for this, you will see the dimension, the extrusion is taking place. The inside portion is hollow. Inside portion is hollow, which and the metal is moving towards one side in one direction at 5 mm thickness. Okay. And if I change the direction from here, the metal moves inside. Okay. In this way, we can use thin feature. And blind, this condition, this is the length of the extrusion. I am taking length, suppose 20, 30, 40, 50. Suppose 80 is this is the extrusion length dimensions. Okay. And I am reversing the direction of extrusion from here. This is the extrusion direction, the length, and extrusion direction you can change here from this one, and this is the thin feature. In thin feature, when I check the thin feature, inside portion remains hollow and the metal moves on one side. This is one side. You can change the direction from here, this one, in this way. 5 mm thick. Okay. Now I am taking second option, mid plane. Mid planes means, suppose I take this one, mid place means 5 mm thickness is the total thickness, equally divided on this sketch line. Okay. This is the total 5 mm. Suppose I take 8 mm. So total 8 mm. This thickness is 8 mm, but equally divided on both sides. 4 is on this side, 4 in those sides, but total is 8 mm. This one, you will see. And extrusion length is this one. Extrusion length is 80 mm. Blind conditions. You can change the extrusion length dimension from here. Okay. Now third condition. Third condition is two directional. You will see there are the two direction. The extrusion takes place in two direction. This is the extrusion thickness direction 2. Suppose one thickness I am taking 4 mm, and third another one I am taking 3 mm. So this one. If I take front view, the metal on one side is 4 mm, other is this one. Suppose this I am taking 3 mm and another I am taking 4 mm. In this way, this is the 4 mm. One side is different and another side is different thickness, vary in thin feature. So I have explained all the three conditions. One is more thing, that is the, suppose I take both the dimension 4 mm. Okay, or suppose ye for same thing 3 mm one side. Okay, now I use cap ends. Cap ends I am taking, for example, suppose I am cap end, I am taking 5 mm. Okay. This is the cap end. Cap end, if I hit the right button of this one, then you will see, and take the section of this one. I am taking this right plane, this one. You will see this is the thickness of the thickness in thin future, 4 mm in this one, but this is the caps of I am taking cap of 5 mm. The cap is taking place of 5 mm. This one. This is the cap end, and open ends on both sides that closes by cap end. Suppose I increases the thickness, this cap ends increases 8 mm. You will see this one. This is becomes 8 mm, and this is thin future thickness. Okay, suppose I take this one and this one, and this one, 4 mm thickness one side. And if I use cap ends, then cap ends, it means the open ends closes by 8 mm thickness on both sides, and this way. I hope you would have enjoyed in this exercise. You please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.